From ancient shores where oceans roar to endless plains where proud winds soar, a resilient people rise as one. In unity our journey's begun. Though names may differ, one land we claim, one shared vision, one enduring flame. Together we build, together we rise, under one sky with open eyes.
Oh, Somalia,
strong and free,
a beacon of strength
and dignity.
Every clan,
a vital light,
together rising
day and night. Habar Gidir, with honor profound, a legacy of leadership renowned. Abgar, guiding with wisdom's grace, shaping the future of this sacred place. Shikar, keepers of faith and light, teaching truth through day and night. Rahanween, rooted deep in the soil, with dignity strong and steadfast toil. Every clan, every noble name adds brilliance to Somalia's flame. Side by side, no divide we see, in shared pride we walk as free.
Oh, Somalia,
strong and free,
a beacon of strength
and dignity.
Every clan,
a vital light,
together rising
day and night. Hey, hey. It's high, mighty in power and might, defenders of justice standing for right. Marihan, warriors valiant and bold, whose courage in history is forever told. Majid-a-Team, a steadfast shield so true,
protecting hope for me and for you.
Ojadin, strong with unwavering stride,
carrying vision across the wide.
Dilbahanta, brave with hearts of steel. In every challenge their courage reveals. Howiya, Daru, all clans unite in one great nation,
shining bright.
No more division, no walls of pain.
Let unity
forever reign, from north to south, from east to west.
In harmony our land is blessed. Oh, Somalia,
rise once more
beyond